Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can fix this error that says we cannot log into your account in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, press your Windows key and type regedit, and you will see this registry editor. Click on this, and if you're asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes, and you will see something like this. This might be a bit different in your case. Now what you need to do here is click on view and click on address bar if this address bar is not visible for you. If this address bar is already visible, no need to do anything. Now remove this and enter this path here. You can copy this path from the description below, paste it here and hit enter, and now you will see this profile list. Now in this profile list you need to delete the temp path. So in my case here I don't have a temp folder because I have already deleted it. Now this is what it looks like. Now you just delete on the entry that has the path of temp folder, right click on it and click on delete. Now make sure you do not accidentally delete something else because that might mess up with your installation and you might have issues later on. Make sure the row that you are choosing is next to the temp folder. Delete that and then close registry. Now you just need to restart your PC. Press Windows key and click on restart button and restart your PC, and your issue should be fixed.